How to change your login picture and lock screen style on your Mac. It is very easy. You just have to go to settings. In settings, on the left side, you have a lot of options. You want to scroll down till you see users and groups. Click on that. In here, you can see all the users that are available. And this is my profile. I'll click on my profile. If I click on my profile, nothing really happens. I want to click on the eye. So this is my login picture. If I want to change it, click on edit. And once I click on edit, you can see I have all these memojis. So let's say I want the panda. With panda, I can also change some things like style. Let's say I want a different background. Let's go with the baby blue, right? I can also change the shape and size of this panda. If I want it to be an entire face, I can do that as well. But let's keep it normal for now. If I want to select a custom picture, I can go to camera or photos and do that as well. With camera, obviously, you will just click a picture right now. And with photos, you just select, let's say, this picture. So this picture, if I click on save, will now become my login picture. Let's say OK, and your login picture has been changed. Now to change the lock screen style, here you can see there's an entire option for lock screen. Click on that and you can change a few aspects like when to turn the display off or something like that, but you can't really change the style. To change the style, you can just go to wallpaper. In wallpaper, you can see currently it is Tahoe Day. Let's change it to Cinema Horizon. Now this is going to change the lock screen entirely. And then here you can see there's an option for clock appearance as well. So take a note that this is your wallpaper that is also going to come on your lock screen. If I go to clock appearance, you can see an option has popped up and I can change the thickness over here. Let's say I want to change the font or the style of the lock screen. I can do that as well. Again, they call it weight. Okay, let's call it weight. If I want it to be something, let's say liquid glass, if that's helpful, you can do that as well over here. But I prefer this one with slightly less boldness. So as you can see guys, my lock screen wallpaper has also now been changed and the clock appearance has also changed. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.